5 days workshop for mathematics and science teachers on low-cost science teaching aid has been organized by Pragati Vigyan Sanstha in Government Inter College, Bulandshahr, from 25th August to 29th August 2021. This is being catalyzed and supported by National Council for Science and Technology, Communication and the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Respected Deepak Sharma sir, 2 times national awardee, is taking this workshop. He is the head of this workshop. Today is the 4th day of this workshop. I, Priya Tayal, TGT Mathematics, Government High School, Kachampur Devi, Bulandshahr, get this privilege to give a report on the 4th day of this workshop. So, in this workshop, we start with a very important identity of mathematics. The identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this workshop, a very interesting way of proving it is being discussed by sir and all the other teachers. Then, the concept of rocket propulsion has been discussed. We made a handmade rocket by using a plastic bottle and launched it by using a rocket launcher. Then, sir told us the place where the whole weight of the rocket is located and where the astronaut sits in it. We fill the liquid in such a way that 40% liquid is there in it and the remaining 60% is air. After it, a very healthy discussion takes place on the definition of scientist. Everyone participated it in a positive way and then we defined it in a new way that scientist is a person who tries to solve his or his surrounding problems in a very systematic and a knowledgeable way. This is a really new definition of scientist. Scientific temper is also there in Article 51AH. This is, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. This is the Article 51AH. An infant also has the scientific temper. But the thing is, he is unknown of the scientific terminology. But he knows all the facts that are in our science. Sir, tell us that kitchen is the best laboratory and we should use it while teaching chemistry. We should use the examples used in kitchen and this will be helpful for teaching our kids. We should teach mathematics by using some mathematical songs. And there are so many mathematical songs and if we use them, then the students will learn them very effectively. Then in a very interesting way, we find the circumference of Earth by using a small stick. We took a paper and placed a stick on it. We note the length of its shadow at an interval of 4 minutes for around 45 minutes. Then we draw a table. After it, we use the formula that circumference of Earth is equal to distance between 2 places divided by sum or difference of measured angles into 360 degrees. This is the formula which we use while calculating the circumference of Earth. By using this experiment, we can find the latitude, longitude and the direction of actual north, not the magnetic north, the actual north. This activity was very interesting. We all participated with full enthusiasm. The answer divided all of us in 5 groups. make the calculation of solar globe, we go in open area and draw our own made solar clock. And we draw it by using a thread, nail, chalk. It was just outstanding. We all enjoyed a lot. Also very interesting activity, and I think our childs also enjoyed a lot. After it, the election for the 3 posts for District Science Club was done by all teachers present in this workshop. After it, we made balloon pump by using waste bottle. The principle in blowing the balloon was air pressure, and the balloon blowed so much. It was the most enjoyable activity for children. At last, we done a nail activity. It was very interesting. Today in this workshop, we learned so much. I want to thank the respected Deepak Sharma sir and his entire team for organizing this very wonderful workshop in our district, Bulandshahr. And I want to thank your entire team, sir, on behalf of all the teachers. Thank you so much.
जब अब शारीरिक सौंदर्यता बढ़ानी होती है तो आप जिम में जाते हैं, लेकिन जब आपको पर्सनैलिटी तो इम्प्रूव करनी हो, साथ साथ ही मानसिक पर्सनैलिटी इम्प्रूव करनी हो, तो आप कहाँ जाएंगे? उसके लिए आपको जाना होगा विज्ञान के जिम में। देश का पहला विज्ञान जिम कहें या यूँ कहें कि देश का पहला विज्ञान चैनल है विज्ञान आओ करके सीखे। प्रगति विज्ञान संस्था का यह चैनल अपने आप में एक विज्ञान जिम है, जहाँ पर आपकी और आपके बच्चों की मानसिक पर्सनैलिटी इम्प्रूव होती है।